Welcome to day 6 of your mindful Meowers journey. Today we explore one of the most magical and soothing aspects of being a cat: purring. A cat's purr is not just a sign of contentment, it is also a source of healing, relaxation, and connection. Just as a cat's purr vibrates through its body, creating a sense of peace, our own breath has the power to calm our nervous system and restore balance. By practicing breath awareness, we can cultivate the same sense of ease that a cat experiences when it purrs. The wisdom of the purr. Cats don't purr on command. They purr instinctively, in tune with their bodies and emotions. A cat's purr soothes and comforts, bringing a sense of safety, lowers stress and promotes healing, even for humans, is steady, rhythmic, and deeply grounding. Happens naturally when a cat is fully present and relaxed. By tuning into our own breath, our internal rhythm, we can invite the same peace and presence into our day. Practice the purring breath meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep inhale through your nose. Step 1. Finding your natural breath. Without changing anything, simply notice your breath. Is it fast or slow? Shallow or deep? Observe it without judgment, just like watching a cat breathe as it naps. Step 2. The gentle purr breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. As you exhale, hum softly, creating a gentle vibration like a cat's purr. Feel the hum resonating in your chest and throat. Repeat this several times, letting the sound be soft and soothing. Step 3. The silent purr. Now, simply breathe in and out without sound, but still feel the inner vibration. Imagine your breath wrapping around you like a warm, cozy purr. Let yourself sink into the moment, fully relaxed. You've just experienced your own version of purring meditation. Reflection. After practicing the purring breath meditation, take a moment to reflect. How did it feel to focus on your breath like this? Did the gentle hum create a sense of calm? Could you sense a shift in your energy or emotions? Write down any thoughts, or simply rest in the peaceful feeling for a few more moments. Bringing this into your day. You don't need to be meditating to practice purring breath. Throughout your day, try to pause and take a deep breath whenever you feel stressed. Hum softly while you breathe, using it as a calming tool. Observe a cat purring and notice the peace it brings. Breath awareness helps us stay grounded, just like a cat curling up for a nap. The more we practice, the more naturally we find peace in each moment. Perfectly done. You've completed day 6, the healing power of purring, breath awareness. See you tomorrow for day 7, finding comfort in the present moment, curling up in now.
Your eyes, take it slow. Feel the breath come and go, like a cat curled up so tight, purring softly in the light. Let it rise, let it fall. Chase, no need to stall. Every hum, every sigh brings you peace. Let's time slip by. Breathe like a purr, steady and true. Let it flow. the sound, like soft vibrations all around. A heart beats slow, a sigh so sweet, a simple way to feel complete. Let it rise, let it fall. No need to chase, no need to stall. Every hum, every sigh brings you peace. Let's time slip by. Breathe like a purr, steady and true. Let it flow, let it soothe. Soft and deep, warm and free, the sound of calm inside of me. When the world feels loud and fast, slow it down, make it last. Just inhale, let it go, like a cat that's found its flow. Close your eyes, take it slow.